Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making one of my recipes. This is a recipe I developed myself. I'm a little bit proud of it, and after taste testing about 15 different recipes, at least it felt like that many, for red velvet cake, I decided to invent my own. So I am not claiming that this is authentic Southern, because I am no Southern and it's definitely not authentic, but it does taste really good. So this is my version of red velvet cake. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, so let's get started.
This recipe is really easy. We need 2 cups or 450 milliliters of buttermilk, 2/3 a cup or 150 milliliters of oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1.5 cups or 300 grams of sugar, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. I don't recommend vanilla sugar here because the flavor doesn't come through as well. A dash of salt, 1.5 teaspoons baking soda, 2 cups or 250 grams of flour. Red food coloring, which is totally optional. You can also add different food colorings to make different colored red velvet cake. The nice thing about this recipe is that you just add all your ingredients except the food coloring to a bowl and mix it up. You don't need a mixer. This is a great recipe for the kids to help with. You can mix it with a wooden spoon like I did, or a whisk, which would get out all the fine lumps of flour a bit better. Finally, fold in your food coloring. This is only if you want your cake to be red. I use about a teaspoon or 2 of gel food coloring. You will need a lot more if you're using liquid, but the red color was quite bright. Pour the batter into your greased and lined cake pans. This will make about 2 6-inch cakes or 1 9-inch cake. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. I'll show you the consistency by leveling the cake. It's a lovely color. If you want it more red and not so dark, consider reducing or leaving out the cocoa powder. But this cake is soft and moist. It leans a tiny bit toward dense as opposed to fluffy, but it tastes amazing. All 3 flavors come out really well: the buttermilk, the cocoa powder, and the vanilla. It's a really lovely red velvet cake. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes and cake videos.